Let me tell you something many YouTubers don't know. You can record a very good video, edit it very well, even have a nice thumbnail, and still, that video can fail before anyone sees it. Why? Because of how you uploaded it. Wrong settings, wrong audience, wrong visibility, and just like that, your video starts struggling. In this video, I will show you step by step, in a simple and practical way, how to upload your video the right way in 2026. Not just what to click, but why each step is important. Now go to YouTube Studio, click Create, Upload Video. Select your file. While your video is uploading, don't just sit and watch the loading bar. Use that time well. Start writing your title and description immediately. Smart creators don't waste that time. Welcome to Growth Lab, where I teach you how to grow on YouTube in practical way. Today, we are not rushing. We are doing this like a teacher in class. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to upload. You will understand how to upload like a professional creator. Let's move. Before going to YouTube Studio, pause. Yes, pause. Because many people rush this part. Uploading is not the beginning, preparation is. Ask yourself, is my video well edited? Is my title ready? Do I have a thumbnail ready? Let me be honest. Uploading without preparation is like going into exam without studying. You may still write something, but your result will show. So before anything, prepare. Let's talk about your title. Your title is not for you. It is for your audience and the algorithm. Bad title, how to upload. Good title, how to upload a video on YouTube in 2026, step by step for beginners. Why? Because it is clear, searchable, specific. Now your description. Many people are lazy here, but this is where you explain your video. Add keyword naturally, guide your viewer. Think of it like this. Your title attracts, your thumbnail convinces, your description explains. Always remember this formula. Wrong settings, wrong audience, wrong visibility equals to struggling. Very important for trust and monetization. What is altered content? This is where your video includes AI-generated voiceovers, edited clips that change meaning, reuse content with heavy edits. The YouTube algorithm is now very strict. If you don't declare altered content, your video may not be recommended. You may lose monetization. Your channel trust can drop. In 2026, transparency equals to growth. If your video includes AI, turn it on. If not, leave it off. Real example, you use AI voice to explain a topic, turn it on. You added a movie clips with commentary, turn it on. You recorded yourself talking, leave it off. Let me ask you, when you scroll on YouTube, what makes you stop? Is it the thumbnail, description, or something else? Be honest. Your thumbnail should be bright, be clear, match your title. If your title says step by step, your thumbnail should not confuse people. Clarity is more important than beauty. Sometimes the eyes eat before the mouth. Always remember that. Playlist is the collection of your videos grouped together. Playlist can increase watch time, make viewers watch multiple videos, help your channel grow faster. And guess what? The YouTube algorithm loves this. Now, when someone watches one video, they're likely to watch more. This is where many creators make mistakes. You will see public, private, unlisted. Let me explain simply. Public, this is like opening your shop to everyone. Anyone can see your video. Use this only when everything is perfect. Private, this is like locking your shop. Only you can see your video. Use this when you are still checking everything. You are not ready. Unlisted, this is like giving a secret link. Only people with the link can see it. Use this when you want feedback, you want to test your video. Best practice, upload as private or unlisted first. Check everything. Then, boom, make it public. That one habit can change your results. This part confuses many people. You will see, yes, it's meant for kids. No, it's not meant for kids. Ask yourself one question. Who is this video for? If it is for children, cartoons, kid stories, nursery content, then choose meant for kids. If it's for adults, teenagers, general audience, choose not meant for kids. Important note, just because kids can watch your video does not mean it meant for kids. Be intentional. What is category? Category tells YouTube what your video is about. It helps you to recommend your video to the right audience, understand their niche faster, improve your chances of being discovered. It's like telling YouTube, hey, This is where my video belongs. Now let's talk about something important, paid promotion. If a brand paid you, sponsored you, gave you a product, turn it on. If not, leave it off. Simple. This is about honesty, and YouTube values it a lot. So let's go to tags. Why tags are important? Help YouTube to understand your video. It knows what your content is all about. It improves search visibility. Your video can show up on people's search. Don't spam tags. Use 5 to 15 strong relevant tags that match your topic exactly. Simple truth. Tags will never make a video go viral, but they help you to place your video in the right category, which increases your chances of getting views. Before you publish, pause again. Yes, pause. Check like a professional. Title, thumbnail, description, audience, setting, visibility. Then one more thing many people forget. What part of your video again? Check your sound, visual mistakes. Because once it's public, first impression matters. Don't rush. Uploading is technical. Publishing is strategy. Sometimes wait when your audience is online. Smart creators don't just upload, they plan their release. Always remember this. Uploading on YouTube is not just clicking a button. It's making a right decision at every step. Private or public, keys or not keys, paid or not paid, small decisions create big results. If this video helps you, like and subscribe. And if you want the next video, I will show you how to get views after uploading, because that is where the real game begins. Drop your comment and let me know. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.